Hey guys, what's up? Jesse Norris here, Caged Muscle athlete and pound for pound world's strongest 198 pound powerlifter. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite products, which is L-citrulline. This product's found in the pre-cage, which I take daily, no matter what. L-citrulline has been shown in studies to be more effective at boosting exercise performance. L-citrulline helps keep the vascular system flowing optimally because it plays an important role in nitric oxide production, a vasodilator which can help more efficient delivery of nutrient-rich blood to your muscles for increased performance and faster recovery. The pre-cage has helped me with my performance in the gym time and time again. I've been able to hit new records, higher weights. I've been hitting 585 for 10s at one point where I usually only hit 5 or 6. My numbers have been skyrocketing and I feel that the L-citrulline has really helped in my performance and my ability to hit those weights and help recover. When I'm performing better in the gym, I'm able to hit more weight, do more sets, do more reps, and get to my goals that much faster, which means setting bigger and better records every time.